Hey everybody, this is Liron from Artlist. Today we're going to show you how to use a TV or computer screen to create amazing backgrounds. But before we start, show us some love by hitting that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel with that notification bell on. We're also doing a giveaway at the end of this video, so make sure you stick around. Let's start with the core essence of this hack, creating beautiful backgrounds for your product shots. Simply open up a beautiful background on your screen or just make one using any kind of designer programs out there. Then place your object in front of that screen and there you have it, a beautiful product shot using only a screen. You can get creative with different gradient backgrounds or just keep it simple with a solid color. If you want to add glare to this effect, all you need to do is put your object on a reflective surface. If you want to enhance it even more, place it on a spinning platform. A big advantage using this specific hack is the beautiful backlight coming out of the screen. However, the obvious disadvantage is the limited space you're working with. To get the best results from this hack, we highly suggest you use a 35mm lens or up and a tripod. Don't forget to adjust your camera's frame rates and shutter speeds to avoid any kind of flickering coming from the screen. You can also take this hack to the next level and be super creative with it. For example, we use this hack in our latest commercial, Life of an Indie Filmmaker. We created a realistic subway scene without actually leaving our studio. We built a set wall of a subway car with a window in the middle, with orange plastic chairs, a middle pole, a map, and a few stickers to sell it even better. To make everything come together and actually looking like a real working subway car, we needed to fake the window view to make it look like the car is in motion. The obvious decision would have been going with a green screen, but that would have taken us a lot of time to composite in post-production. We decided to create a looping background and play it on a TV screen that we placed behind the window. This helped create realistic reflections, required minimal post-production work, and also helped us save time and extra gear money on set. To bring everything to life, we moved around an HMI light to mimic the moving subway lights. And we also physically rocked the entire set back and forth. And that's how you can use a simple screen to achieve beautiful results. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that like button, slap it, whatever makes you happy. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel with the notification bell on. And of course, if you ever use this hack in one of your videos, make sure you share it with us. We would love to see the end results. Now for the giveaway. 4 lucky winners will win 4 Artlist hats. Yep, 4, not 3, not 2, not 1, 4 Artlist hats. All you need to do to enter the giveaway is like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. What's your favorite filmmaking hack? Here is our last video's winner right here. We'll contact you, be sure of that. Till then, stay creative.